Hi guys, it's Paula and I hope you are doing well. It is another day, which means it is time for another finale. This is going to be a finale for the Grey's Junkie Grey's Anatomy Project Pan. This project was created by Angela and Kyra. I am going to have their channels linked down below along with everybody else that participated in this collaboration. The point of this project was to link products from our stash to quotes from the television series. Kyra and Angela put in a ton of work to prepare for this project. They made it so easy that I was able to participate even though I still, to this day, have not seen a single episode of Grey's Anatomy. I promise it's on my list of things to do, but I've been busy. We were allowed to choose between 5 and 15 items, I believe, for this project, if I recall. And we could work on however many we wanted, and we could make it rolling or not. I decided to stick with 7 items throughout this project, and I did make it rolling. However, at the last update, I finished 2 products and decided not to roll in 2 new ones because the project was almost over anyways. So I have 5 products to talk about today, and I will let you know what progress I made over the past month and what I plan to do with these products now that the project is over. I did manage to squeeze out 1 more empty over the past month, and I'm so happy about that because it's 1 more thing that leaves this house. And that is my e.l.f. lip scrub in the original like brown sugar flavor. I don't know if I really need a lip scrub that badly in my life. If I felt the need to exfoliate my lips, I'd probably just use a washcloth. However, out of all the lip scrubs I've tried, I really like this format with it shaped into a bullet like a lipstick and you just apply it. There's something very nice about that compared to a tub of lip scrub that you have to dig in, and I don't know. This is just very neat and nice and cheap. So I do recommend this, and I have another one, so I'm glad this is gone. Not surprisingly, this lip scrub was put into the project under the category, a product from a category I need to lower my numbers in. I still stand by that. I need to lower my numbers in this category, but I'm glad to have it down by 1, so I feel like I achieved that goal. My category is lower. For a product from a category I only need 1 of in my collection, I had put in this Prescriptives Liquid Illuminator. I've been working on this since the start of the project. This is where it was at the starting point, and I am down to here. I was hoping to have it gone by today. I think I even made a suggestion that I would paint my body in that. I decided against doing that, but it's almost gone. And I will not be putting this into another project, I don't think, unless I put it into like turn and burn, but I think it's just gonna ride itself out on my bathroom counter. I'm gonna keep using it every day until it's gone. I think it'll be within a month or so, but I'm kind of bummed I couldn't finish it in time. But I'm really glad I made the progress I did. I really have realized that liquid illuminators aren't something I really need a ton of in my collection. Maybe one, if that. But I know that this will be gone soon, and I'm really excited about it. For the category of product that I forget to use, I threw in this ABH eyeliner in the color Liquid Gold. I'm happy to say that because of this project, I no longer forget to use this. I have been using this so consistently. There's never any progress to show because even though I use it every day, I only use it on a small little piece of my eyeball right down here. But I absolutely love the brightening effect that it has on my eyes, and I've been having so much fun using it every day. It's become second nature to add this into my eye look, and I'm so glad for that. So I'm very happy that this is not gone, surprisingly, and I'm gonna keep enjoying using it as we transition into spring and summer. I now feel comfortable wearing this 365 days of the year. Originally, I probably only considered this something for like holidays or special occasions, and now I'm like, it's Wednesday, I'm gonna wear my gold eyeliner. So my views on this have definitely changed, and I appreciate it now more than ever. In an ironic twist, For the category, a product that I know I will finish. I did not finish my Toka rollerball in the scent Stella. Of course, why would I finish something that I knew I would finish? I have several perfumes in several projects and I wasn't using this daily. If I would have been using this daily, I would have finished it, but it was taking turns with other perfumes and I'm kind of enjoying rotating through and not just powering through one scent until it's gone. It's kind of nice to be like, which one do I want to wear today? Instead of like, okay, let's wear it again. Let's do it again, day in, day out. There's something very freeing about working between 2 or 3 different perfume scents. But of course, I did not finish it. So I'm right around the halfway point, which is pretty much where I was at the last update, even though I've used this probably 5 or 6 times. It really didn't move down at all. This is a very popular scent. I know some of you guys love this scent. It's not me though. I know that for a fact. It's nice, but it's not me. And so I'm really grateful to have been given the opportunity to try this sample and figure that out rather than impulsively buying the full size because so many other people love it and then finding out it's not me. So this sample has definitely served a purpose. I will continue to work on this. It probably will get rolled into Turn and Burn at some point and put in that project just to finish it off. But in the meantime, it's gonna stay out on my bathroom counter and I'm gonna keep working on it every now and then. The final product in this project was under the category a product from a previous project pan, and it looks like it's going to survive long enough to be put in another project pan because I did not meet goal for this update, and that is the red eyeshadow in my e.l.f. 100 pan palette. It is this one right there. I just wanted to hit pan on this and I did not. In a last ditch effort, I blew red eyeshadow all over my entire eyelid to try and hit pan and it still didn't happen. You have to be in the right frame of mind to go for a red eyeshadow, and although I can go for this quite often, I don't want to wear it every single day. And so I didn't force it. I decided not to force it. With the 2 shadows that I already hit pan on in this palette, it was a lot easier to hit pan on. The shadows were not as bold and not as pigmented, and I could apply them a bit more liberally. You do not want to go liberal with a red eyeshadow, even with an e.l.f. eyeshadow. You have to go in slowly, build it up a little, and then stop when you get to a certain point. Otherwise, you know, you have red eyes. So I did not hit pan. I miscalculated this product once again. I don't know if you can tell, but I do have a good dip going in there. And these pans are not very deep, so it shouldn't take much more time to hit pan on it. But the truth is, I have a lot of eyeshadows I'm trying to rotate between right now, between the different projects. I've said that many times. But also, this is just so ginormous that sometimes I just don't want to be bothered with pulling it out. Even though it's in my bathroom, it's right there, just like sliding this out, dealing with the broken lid and all of that. Sometimes I'm just like, I could just go to my Z palette and get a pink and be done. So for whatever reason, I have a million excuses, but for whatever reason, I did not hit pan on this. And I don't have any plans for this one way or the other right now. I mean, there's part of me that wants to just keep going until I hit pan, and the other part of me is like, maybe we could put this back in the office for a little while and not have to look at it, or maybe I could pick a different shadow to focus on, and while I'm working on that one, maybe I'll hit pan on the red one. We will see. I'm not going to think about that today because I don't have to, because this project is over. All right, guys, that is it for this finale for the Grey's Anatomy Project Pan. Thank you so much to Kyra and Angela for inviting me into this project with you guys. I'm so grateful. I always have fun collaborating with you guys. And please go check out their videos and everybody else who's doing this project with us to see their finales. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.